Hello, weird and wonderful people. My name is Malachi Frost, and we got ourselves a new keyboard. If you've been around on the channel and on the streams for a while, our old keyboard keeps disconnecting. I don't know why. Could it be the coffee I accidentally spilt on it in the middle of a morning show? Maybe. Could be the fact that it's just old and it cost me like $10 from Kmart. Maybe. But we now have a brand new, fresh out the box, Allied Gaming SPARROWHAWK RGB keyboard. First and foremost, this video is not sponsored by Allied yet. I mean, this video will never be sponsored by Allied, but if Allied wants to sponsor, I don't know, future videos, call me. I just got lucky. Tonight I went down to a Game on Oz meetup in Adelaide, so people from the gaming industry that live in Adelaide had a bit of a catch up. So we had streamers, we got coders, game devs, esports league people. And one of the guys that came down, an absolutely lovely man by the name of Eddie Joe Williams. I'll put links and stuff down in the description for him. He is sponsored by Allied. And this big, beautiful man rocked up to the GOA meetup with a whole collection of Allied products. And I managed to snag myself the keyboard. So we're going to open it up, have a bit of a look, get it set up, and have fun with the special new thing we got. All right, here we go. Let's have a look. Opening the box. Opening the box. Buttons. You know it's good because it comes with lots of packaging. I don't know how to get into the box and I don't want to break anything. I'm not good at unboxing things. You may have noticed. Normally when I unbox things, I'm one of those destroy the box and throw everything over your shoulder kind of people. But we can't do that with this one. That would be a no-no. Instructions. I'm probably going to need instructions. But first of all, let's get rid of the box and actually get this plugged in. I forgot to mention that. What perfect way for the GOA Adelaide-based gaming thing meetup to be celebrated than with an Adelaide-based gaming company. That's why it was so freaking special. It's Adelaide-based. I didn't know we had this stuff in Adelaide. I do now, and I love it. This is the SPARROWHAWK keyboard with firm, quiet, black mechanical gaming switches, individually backlit keys with 19 lighting modes, 14 preset running light modes, durable, water-resistant design. Well, that's just perfect for me, because you know I'm a clumsy as shit with my coffee. It's heavy. See, I've only ever had really cheap, shitty keyboards, so the fact that it's heavy and there's weight to it, and oh my god, it actually feels like a proper keyboard. I love it. Let's get it plugged in. And then we can play with the lights of life. I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm having a good time. I'm gonna plug it in. You stay there. You stay there. I'll be back. Oh my god, look at that. It lit up. It's doing stuff. I don't know what it's doing yet, but it's doing stuff and I love it. Look at it. All right, now how do I play with light settings? What do I do? How do I play? Lighting controls, LED key. To start, press LED key. Where's the LED key? That one? Whoa, now it's doing different stuff. Look at that. Look at it. It's flashing and all sorts of stuff. This is the coolest thing I've ever owned. So if I keep pushing this button, it'll just keep scrolling from thing to thing. That is so cool. So it's got a bunch of different functions, which is brilliant. Wow, look at it, it's gone around the outside. But of course, as much fun as getting it set up and just playing with the lights is, this is a keyboard, right? We need to play a game. So let's play a quick round of Overwatch, see how we go. On the old keyboard, while playing Overwatch, it would slide around. This one's a lot heavier, so it probably is not going to slide at all, which would be freaking brilliant. But also, let's see how much my fingers get lost. This is really just an excuse for me to play a round of Overwatch, if I'm honest. I need to test out my new keyboard. It's not all about the colors. I have to admit, I've never had a mechanical keyboard before, and oh my goodness, is that a satisfying push. That's satisfying. I don't know how loud it is. Let's find out. A bit of noise there. I don't know how audible that's going to actually be over the mic, but that little bit of noise is definitely worth it for the satisfaction of a mechanical keyboard. And it's lighted up with all pretty rainbows. I'm a very easy person to entertain. Alright, let's see how we go. Let's see how we go. Will the keyboard still be in the same place when I'm finished this game? Hello. Yeah, you guys, I'm squishy. No! Help me, I'm squishy. I'm doing stupid things. Get back here, Reaper. Stupid, stupid, stupid. What? Who got me? Zenyatta? Ugh, the only thing worse than dying to a Lucio is dying to a Zenyatta. I'm squishy and all alone out here. Hello. I'm all alone. I shouldn't be on the point by myself. Alright, let's get round here and break it down. Get out of my face. Oh, hello. We did it. So far, I haven't had to look at the keyboard once, which means my fingers aren't getting lost. Freaking amazing. So far, I'm having a great time. I haven't had to look at that. I haven't had to look at my keyboard once, which I know I shouldn't have to do, but for some reason on the old keyboard, my fingers would just get lost. I don't know why. It could be complete and utter just psychosomatic, but so far I haven't had to look at the keyboard once, which is a shame because it's very pretty. It's a very pretty keyboard. It looks very pretty. It's very satisfying button feel, which I never really understood when people said, oh, how's the button feel? I don't know, it's a keyboard. It feels like a keyboard. But I get it. I get it now, okay? I get the button feel now. I understand. And with things like keyboards, where the difference between a good keyboard and a bad keyboard, like, you know, unless it's making you a cup of coffee, it's not exactly doing anything that's out of the norm for a keyboard. Which is why, like, the fact that I can actually feel the difference between my old keyboard and this keyboard so drastically is astounding. And definitely something that I didn't expect. Like, I expected it to be like, oh yeah, it lights up and it's a keyboard, but this is actually really satisfying to use. Break it down. Boom! Freaking amazing. GG, friendos, GG. First game played on my brand new Allied keyboard. That was a lot of fun. Not a lot of fun. Genuinely. I never thought... I've been looking at getting an upgraded keyboard for quite a while anyway, just because mine was so old. And I've been looking at the gaming keyboards and going, I want one? But to actually have one in front of me, it actually makes a much bigger difference than I expected. I thought it was just going to be pretty light and slightly better button feel. But, no, there is so much more to this keyboard, and I love it. I love my new keyboard. Thank you. And that is our unboxing, setup, and initial review of the Allied Sparrowhawk keyboard. I love it. Thank you very much to GOA and to Eddie Williams for supplying me with it, and also thank you to Allied for just existing in general. I'm very happy that there is an Adelaide-based gaming company, and I very much look forward to having a look at the rest of your stuff. If you're an Adelaide-based gaming person and are looking to upgrade your gear, please do look up Allied. I'll put links down in the description below. And if you like this video, please do leave a like on it. Comment down below if you've got any Allied products. Let us know. Let's build this community of Allied people almost like an alliance. It all fits together. It's perfectly matched. But for right now, as always, Frost Squad, have a good day, have a good life, and I'll catch you all down the road.